So good evening, everyone. Myself, Dr. Tanima Singhal, and I welcome you all on today's Q&A session. So let me first take the session questions which are there in the Google form. So number one question is from Prerna Soni, low breast milk supply and difficulties in latching. Okay, so Prerna, if you are facing low milk supply, then you have to work on three major things. First is improving the demand. If your baby is already coming on the breast, then just try to pump after every breastfeeding session. And if your baby is not at all coming on the breast, then after during your for every bottle feeding session, just start pumping. Second thing is have good maintain good hydration. For improving the flow, do oil massage and warm compress. For galactococcus, take lactomagic powder, Morico tablets. Keep the baby skin to skin with you. And also you need to track your progress by checking the baby's weight and checking the formula milk intake. So these are the steps which you have to follow for improving your milk supply. For latching, you have to make sure that the baby opens a wide mouth and you latch the baby properly in a cross cradle hold, which will work very well for improving the overall latching thing for the baby. Next question is from mostly is low milk supply issues, and I want to switch breastfeeding from formula. Hasina Afroz. Okay, so if you want to shift your baby from bottle to breast, make sure first of all that your milk supply and milk flow is good and your latching technique is proper so that baby gets a good bite of breast. Not only in nipple, the baby has to feed from the areola. So if all these things are properly done, then what you have to make sure that for every bottle feeding session, first try to put the baby on the breast. If you can avoid bottle, then that will be best. And also you have to make sure that the milk should not flow by itself. When the baby is given the bottle, the milk should not flow by itself. The baby has to make the attempts to get the milk from the bottle. All these things have to be continuously monitored if you want to get your baby from bottle towards the breast. Next, please low milk supply. Avleen Kaur. My baby only latches from one side and he feels unsatisfied. He feels hungry after 30 to 40 minutes of breastfeeding. Then you have to latch the baby on the other side also. If the baby is not latching on the other side, you have to make the attempts, but make sure that you keep pumping from that side also. Otherwise, the milk supply will go down with this. Kiran Solanki, nipple pain, low milk supply, milk blisters, cracked nipples. All these symptoms show that you are facing shallow latching. So you work on your latching. You have to make sure the baby opens a big mouth and the baby has to latch the whole part of areola, not only the nipple part. So you have to make sure of all these things and the baby will improve the latching and you have to work on your latching basically. Okay, so anybody has any questions right now? Whoever is there in the right now in the meeting. If anybody has any questions, you can put it in the chat box. I'll see if there are any new questions. Prachiti says latching issues plus 100 ml of formula requirement. So 100 ml of formula, if it is in 24 hours, that is not much. Start working on your milk supply and the latching issue because once the baby starts latching properly, the baby will empty the breast properly so that the milk supply and the milk flow will improve and the baby will empty the breast properly. You have to make sure the latching is good so that you don't feel any pain and also make sure that the baby is emptying the breast properly. All these things have to be done properly. Why do baby vomit even after burped? So if the baby is suckling a lot of air with the breastfeeding, then it might happen. So you have to make sure that when you are latching the baby should be latching deeply with the areola so that the baby doesn't have any air sucking from the sides of the mouth. So this will help the baby not to suck air along with the milk. So because this happens if you burp and they will throw the milk because of this air sucking with that. And also make sure that you are burping the baby in between. Don't give like 100, 120 ml at a stretch. First, let the baby feed some milk and then you latch again, burp them and latch if they are in a habit of vomiting regularly. If that. So any new questions? I hope the questions are answered and nobody has any new questions. So we can wind off the session today. And let me see if there are any new questions coming in. No, I don't see any new questions. Basically, low milk supply and all that. Sindhura says, my baby is feeding more than 1 hour for each feeding. Even after 2 sides feed, does it mean low milk supply? Actually, 1 hour feeding, the baby is not doing feeding. The baby would be sleeping on the breast. So make sure the baby does active feeding. You have to make sure when the baby is latching, you have to see the neck movement. The baby should be swallowing the milk. The baby should be gulping. You can see the gulping movements in the neck. So if the baby is feeding for 1 hour, the baby is sleeping on the breast, not feeding actively. So make sure the baby is doing an active feeding and not this kind of shallow latching and the baby sleeping on the breast. So Sindhura, you need to make sure that the baby is doing a deep latch and active feeding. And if it is for 1 hour, it will be very tiring for you because obviously that will, you will keep sitting for 1 hour and the baby will still hungry. The baby will still take more milk. So that is not going to work for long because you'll get tired and exhausted very soon. So please work on your improving the latch. You have to make sure the baby is emptying the breast properly every time. But that within less time, basically. Priyanka, how long should be the duration when domstal is taken between evening and night? So basically 4 to 5 hours gap will be enough. You can take little around 4 and there that side you can take around 9 to 10. That will also help. Or in the night you can take around 11 or 12 and here you can take around 5 or 6. That is also okay, Priyanka. Okay, so that's all girls. I don't see any new questions. I hope the questions are answered. Thank you, ma'am. Priyanka says, you're most welcome, my dear. Okay, girls, take care. See you soon. Sindhura says, thank you, ma'am. You're most welcome, my dear. Chalo. Take care. Bye-bye. See you all next Friday. Bye-bye.